So example 4 is all on approximation of roots. Not all the time will your zeros be exact numbers. Um, Now, if it was up to me, I wouldn't use this method of solving if you didn't have exact numbers. There's other ways to solve that we'll learn about next week. But this one, it gives you a method in case this is the only way you remember how to solve it. So we have a situation where we have this person that hit a baseball 172 meters. We have the function that's modeled by the height of the baseball right here. Okay. Um, but when you graph it, it doesn't have zeros that hit exact. So you can kind of see it here. Obviously, we are focusing on this area right there. So what they want you to do, clearly it's somewhere between 6 and 7. Okay. What they have you doing at this is to figure out where is it closest to the intercept. In other words, where is your number closest to y equals 0? And in this case, what they recommend doing is picking some numbers in increments of 0.1. It'll be rounded. So they use, 6.1, 6.2, 6.3, all the way up to 6.8, 6.9. And obviously, if you look at it, you can kind of guess that it's not going to be 6.1 or 6.2, and it's probably not going to be 6.9 because it looks like it's hitting somewhere in the middle. So pick numbers that are close to where you think it's hitting. So we have 4 blanks here. We have 6.4, 6.5, 6.6, and 6.7 to solve for. The one that's going to be the winner is the one that's closest to 0 without making it go negative. So I think that it'll let it go negative. Hold on. Yeah, whatever's closest to 0. Okay, so let's see. We're gonna plug in 6.4 into into our equation up here. So I'm gonna write this actually a little bit lower so we can see it. Negative 16t squared plus 105t plus 1.5. So let's scroll down. So I'm just going to use my calculator. I'm going to start at t equals, let's do 6.4. We'll just go in order. If you're working with a graphing calculator, it's really nice because you can easily just switch it out. 16 and then 6.4 squared plus 105 times 6.4 plus 105. Okay, I got, hopefully this is right, 18.14. So that's still a ways away from 0. So 6.4 is probably not our answer. So I'm going to go back up here and I'm going to switch out to the 6.4 to the 6.5. Actually, doing it on your phone is really easy because you could just tap up there and then get it switched out. So 6.5 is getting me an 8. Still not quite close enough. Let's see what 6.6 has. Swap all of the 6.5s for 6.6. So negative 2.46. So far, this is the closest one to 0. I don't even need to try this because I know that it's going to be more negative. 8 is 8 away from 0. 6.6 is 2.46 away from 0. So I'm going to go ahead. I mean, this one was already out. So I'm going to do 6.6. That's the closest one that I'm going to say. So let's see. It says thus the ball would be in the air for approximately 6.6 seconds before hitting the ground. Okay.